Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare pamper routine and really excited for this video and let's get started. So I just took a shower and I used this L'Occitane shower oil. This is such a good product. It smells divine and it just hydrates and nourishes your skin at the same time cleanses it, which is why I really love this. After that, I'm going to go in with my Foreo cleansing device and this Neutrogena face wash, and I'm just going to deeply cleanse my skin because I had used makeup prior to this, so I just want to make sure that my face is like squeaky clean. This is just such a good cleansing device. It makes sure that there is no makeup residue on your face and also just cleanses out your pores so well, which is why I love using this, especially if I have applied any sort of makeup. And also this device feels really nice on the skin and I honestly love using it maybe once a week. After that, I'm going to be using these eye patches and I'm going to leave all of the product details in the description box below so you can check it out. So this is just going to hydrate my under eye area, at the same time brighten it, because I feel like my under eye area was looking really tired and obviously dull as well. And I actually used it upside down and later I realized it, so I did correct myself. And while I have those on, I am actually going to shave my face with this wheat trimmer as well. So I am just using this around my mouth area to get rid of the excess hair, and also in the center of my eyebrows as well, and wherever I feel like I need to do a bit of trimming and shaving. After that, I went in with a tweezer and tried to tweeze my eyebrows a bit. Honestly, it has been so difficult to maintain my eyebrows because as you can tell that they're really thick, and I haven't been to the salon since the past 5-6 months, and this is how they look like, and I'm trying to maintain them as much as I can at home. Next, to pamper my skin a bit, I'm going to be using this face mask by The Face Shop, and this is their Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Mud Mask. This one is so good for just tightening your pores, and as we all know that the Jeju Volcanic range is just really good, especially if you are someone who has really oily or combination skin, because this just absorbs all of the sebum and excess oil that's on your face, and it just helps reduce the appearance of the pores as well, and just tightens your skin, which is what I really love about this. And even though it's like a pore tightening face mask, it still feels very hydrating once you apply it, and once it dries down as well, it does not feel tight on your skin, and after you take it off, your skin just feels really fresh and bright and squeaky clean, and it just brightens and clarifies your face and your skin tone really well, which is why I have been loving using this. So I kept this mask on for about 10 minutes, and after that, as you can tell, that my skin just looks really clean and bright, which is what I love about this. And after that, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder ANR serum and just applying it on my skin, because after I've cleansed it so well, I just wanted to hydrate my skin a bit more. After ANR, I'm going to go in with this antioxidant serum by Sugandha. Now this contains vitamin C in it, so it's going to brighten my skin, and this is also a really lightweight serum which I love applying on my face. And after that, obviously an eye cream is a must in my skincare routine morning and night, and I'm using this Dr. Sheth's eye cream, and this one is like a really hydrating eye treatment. It feels so good under your eyes. And after that, I'm going to be using another Dr. Sheth's product, and this is actually their brightening peel, if I'm not wrong, and this also has lactic acid and glycolic acid in it, so both of these ingredients are really going to help with just this overall skin tone and texture. And lastly, I'm going to be using my current favorite lip mask by N's Closet. As you can see, it's tinted and it just is so good. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid, and it just really makes my lips super soft. That's why I love using this. And yeah guys, this is it for my nighttime skincare pamper routine. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And I will see you guys later. Bye bye.